In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a newsletter block on Squarespace. We're going to walk through the process of adding the block to your page and then customizing the main text elements so it fits the style and purpose of your site. This is a simple setup, but taking a moment to personalize each field can make your newsletter sign up feel much more polished and inviting. To begin, go to the area of your Squarespace page where you want the sign up form to appear and click Add Block. This opens the block picker where you can search for the type of content you want to insert. If you already know what you're looking for, using the search bar is the fastest way to find it. In the search field, type new. As you do that, Squarespace will filter the available block options and narrow the list down. From the results, click newsletter. That will add the newsletter block to your page, giving you a ready-made sign-up form that visitors can use to subscribe. Once the block has been placed, click the pencil icon to open the editor. This is where you'll customize the content your visitors actually see. Think of this section as the part that helps explain the value of signing up. So clear and concise wording works best. Start by editing the title. This is usually the first thing people notice, so make it direct and relevant. A short title that clearly communicates what the newsletter is about will generally work better than something vague. Next, edit the description. This is your chance to give a little more context about what subscribers can expect. For example, you might describe the type of updates, news, or content they'll receive. Keep it easy to read and focused on the benefit to the visitor. After that, edit the disclaimer. This area is useful for setting expectations, such as how subscriber information will be handled or whether they can unsubscribe later. Even if you keep it brief, this text can help build trust and make the form feel more transparent. Then update the button text. This is the call to action people click to subscribe, so choose wording that feels clear and action-oriented. Simple phrases usually work best because they make the next step obvious. After you've reviewed those fields, your newsletter block is set up and customized. At that point, you can look over the final results on the page and make sure the wording feels consistent with the rest of your website. That's it. You've successfully added and edited a newsletter block in Squarespace.